Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some fantastic news for all of you writers, students, and professionals out there. In this video, we share an exclusive Grammarly coupon code to save an extra 20% on premium plans. Our Grammarly discount code works for everyone, whether you're a student, teacher, writer, or blogger. All you have to do is follow this video step by step to receive our discount coupon. So, let's get started. For those who might not know, Grammarly is an advanced writing assistant that helps you improve your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even style. It's like having a personal editor right at your fingertips. Whether you're drafting emails, writing essays, or crafting the perfect social media post, Grammarly's got you covered. It also has a plagiarism checker to ensure your work is original and a tone detector to help you sound just right for your audience. Now, let's talk about Grammarly Premium Discount Coupon. By using my special link, you can get a whopping 20% off your Grammarly subscription. That's right, an extra 20% off on all the incredible features that Grammarly has to offer. Now, let me show you how you can get this discount offer. First, you need to visit the Grammarly website with our exclusive discount link in this video description. This will take you to the Grammarly homepage. Here you can see the message, "Save 20% on a premium plan today." Click on the Get Started button. Now, you've to sign up by entering your email, password, and name. Then click on the Agree and Sign Up button to continue. After a quick email verification, you'll see a few questions about how Grammarly can help improve your writing and content. At first, it will ask if you're writing for school, work, or other projects. Let's assume you chose work. Then it will ask you about your team and company size. You can also skip this step option. Now, when you click on the skip button, it will take you to the Grammarly pricing page. It has a free plan and a premium plan. Click on the Level Up with Premium button to continue. This will take you to the Grammarly Premium Plan selection page. You can choose to pay for monthly, quarterly, and annual subscription plans. Here, as you can see, our Grammarly coupon works perfectly, and you get 20% off on all premium plans. To get the best discount, you need to select the Grammarly annual plan. It starts at $9.60 per month instead of $12 a month. Next, you'll see the checkout page. You can go ahead and review your order summary, choose a payment option, and add payment information. Then, click on the Checkout button to successfully purchase the Grammarly Premium subscription. That's all. If our coupon code isn't working, open our discount link in incognito mode. So what are you waiting for? Enhance your writing, save time, and impress your readers with flawless content. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Click the link below and start writing like a pro with Grammarly Premium today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and discounts. Happy writing, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.